flicker in the Hawkins night. Something creeping in the dark just beyond the light. Walkie-talkies hissing, keeping them in line. And the shadows on the wall feel wrong tonight. Mike's on his bike with a plan he swears is right. Dustin's got the jokes and the gadgets to fight. Lucas keeps watch, slingshot held tight, and Will hears echoes calling from the other side. Eleven's in the doorway with that far-off stare. Nosebleed dripping like a psychic flare. She whispers softly, "It's coming, run!" And the streetlights die one by one. Every compass spinning off track, every shadow growing hostile, every heartbeat pounding louder than the storm outside. We're running through the dark with every shadow closing in, breathing in the fear as the whole world starts to break. Friends don't lie, so we hold on tight, 'cause the dark might rise and we're ready to fight. When the walls start cracking and the sky turns red, we will fight like hell until the nightmare ends. Yeah, we're standing together with the trust that never fades. Max on a skateboard, hair in the wind. Billy's ghost in the static, once a threat, now a friend. Hopper's in the fire, but he won't back down. Joyce feels danger rising all across the town. Demogorgon's crawling through the cracks in the ground. Nancy lifts the shotgun, tracking movement all around. Jonathan lifts the camera, framing what's in store. Steve swings the bat like he's ready for war. Every siren in the distance, every moment screams resistance. Every breath feels borrowed from the other side. We're running through the dark with every shadow closing in, breathing in the fear as the whole world starts to break. Friends don't lie, so we hold on tight, 'cause the dark might rise and we're ready to fight. When the walls start cracking and the sky turns red, we will fight like hell until the nightmare ends. Yeah, we're standing together with the trust that never fades. Vecna's in the attic with a mind full of screams, turning all our memories to nightmare scenes. But Eleven's got the fire and the will to rise, with the crew behind her shouting, "Hold the line!" Kate Bush in the headphones pulling Max back home as the whole town shakes like it's ready to blow. If the darkness wants Hawkins, it'll come through us, 'cause we're stronger than the evil we face. Hold on when the world flips over and the lights go out. Hold on when the monsters whisper lies in the dark. We're more than the fear, more than the night. We're the spark that brings the hope to life. We're running through the dark with every shadow closing in, breathing in the fear as the whole world starts to break. Friends don't lie, so we hold on tight, 'cause the dark might rise and we're ready to fight. When the walls start cracking and the sky turns red, we will fight like hell until the nightmare ends. Yeah, we're standing together with the trust that never fades. Walkie-talkies fade into static and snow, but the bond we made is stronger than we know. If the darkness rises, we'll answer the call, 'cause we don't back down. Not in Hawkins, not in the upside down.